Okay, so these past 48 hours have been absolutely insane for the channel. I made a video about this box right here. This is the new 2020 iPhone box. And this video, dare I say, went viral with over 230k views and counting. I'll link the video in the description below for those of you interested. But yeah, it's been a crazy 48 hours, and to sort of carry on with that momentum, I went out today and I actually picked up the iPhone 12 silicone cases. These are the new MagSafe cases, and we have a bunch of colors here. I just want to add, if you did pick up an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 12 Pro, these cases are compatible with either of those phones. But if you do have an iPhone 11, it won't fit into this year's cases, and that's just Apple being Apple. So let's do an unboxing and take a look at all the subtle differences this year. I asked a few of you over on Twitter if you had any questions about these cases, so I'll also be answering those questions in this video today. And I do want to add that I do have all 4 models of the iPhone 12 coming in, so if you want to see more coverage on those new iPhones, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. So we do have 5 cases today. They are all the Silicone MagSafe cases, and they're all in different colors. I wasn't able to pick up the new deep navy, cypress green, and the white colorway just because they weren't available for some reason. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox each of these cases, and then I will give you guys a close-up look at the different colors to help you better decide. This is the first time silicone cases are coming in this pre-packaged box. We have a nice pull tab right here, and on the inside we have the case wrapped in this nice film protection. The case easily pops off, and there we go. This is the new pink citrus color, and I think it looks really good. Apple silicone cases have always had this nice silky soft touch to them, and the exterior always feels great in your hands. On the inside is a soft microfiber lining for even more added protection. And to be honest with you guys, I really do appreciate this. This is often overlooked, but it does protect the inside of your iPhone against scratches. Like, take a look at my OnePlus 8 Pro Sandstone case. I love this case to death, but the inside of the case does scratch the back of my 8 Pro. So I do have a skin on the back of the 8 Pro for added protection. This year, what's unique about these silicone cases is that they do come with a magnetic ring on the inside, which is called MagSafe. And this allows for you to attach any compatible accessory to the back of your iPhone magnetically. Not to mention, it also snaps onto your MagSafe charger for easier wireless charging. Finally, the bottom of the silicone cases are covered, so it's really nice to see that extra layer of protection, especially since these cases are not cheap. There is a nice big cutout this year for the camera module, and there is additional protection for the camera since this part right here is a bit raised, so that is always nice to see. Over on the bottom is the speaker and the charging port cutout. The iPhone 12 still uses Lightning, so no USB-C anytime soon. And on either side of the case, we have the volume rockers and the power button. And this year, they do feel a bit more tactile than in the past. But I will reserve my full judgment for when I do get the iPhone 12. This kumquat variant I feel like is going to be a very popular color this year, especially if you are into bright and vivid colors. Of course, we have the traditional product red, which I believe if you do end up buying, a percentage of that money does go towards COVID-19 relief. Last but not least, we have the standard black, which I see a lot of consumers also being interested in. Let's go ahead and answer some of your questions over on Twitter. Starting off with Prasad, he's asking, how's the build and fit? I think I pretty much answered that question already, and since I don't have an iPhone 12 in my hand, I can't really comment on the fit. But if they are anything like the older silicone cases that we are used to, then I think it will fit just fine. Poetic Wiz is asking, what is your favorite case out of the bunch? And he's looking forward to my video and my big milestone to come. So thank you for that. My favorite color out of the bunch has to be this pink citrus color. I think it looks really good in real life. It's sort of more on the red side as opposed to the pink side. So if you can, walk into an Apple store and check out the pink citrus color for yourself in real life. Dur_Appler is asking, is the camera hole bigger than the 11 Pro camera hole? That's a really good question. To be honest with you, it's really hard to tell since I don't have an 11 Pro in my hands, but it does look slightly bigger just going by the eye test. MTG Productions asked, will they fit on an older model? Unfortunately, these cases will not fit on an older model like the iPhone 11 Pro, and that's just Apple being Apple. So if you do want these new colors, you have to upgrade to a brand new iPhone. Smart marketing. TechRus and Addy are asking, how is the texture? And I think I pretty much answered that earlier on, but I really do love the feel and touch of the silicone cases. It just feels really nice in your hands and it really enhances that premium iPhone experience. Zone of Tech Fan is asking, do you like them? And I do like them, to be honest with you, but I do think they're overpriced. If you do want an Apple branded case, then this is the one to get. If you want to know what your new iPhone will look like in these colors, you can go on apple.com and play around with different colors to help you better decide. So yeah, that's been pretty much it for me. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel for more iPhone content. Next week is going to be absolutely crazy with all the tech that we do have coming up, so make sure you are subscribed. I'll leave you guys with my 8th generation iPad review. You guys can check it out right here or somewhere here. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your new MagSafe tech.